Alright, so I had a rough idle on this 2014 Sentra with 160,000 miles. So I decided to take the throttle body off. It's pretty easy. 2 hoses, no water actually even came out. And just the intake tube, 4 bolts. They were like super tight. And 1 electrical connector. What I found out is this throttle body was really nasty. 160,000 miles on it. Probably never been cleaned. I don't know if you could see. There's a huge black ring all the way around. Really thick. It almost looked like it was plastic or something. I had to use Scotch-Brite to get it off. It was the worst. I took it outside and cleaned it with throttle body cleaner and cleaned it and got off some, but finally had to actually resort to Scotch-Brite to get it all down. So let's put it back together, see if that fixes the rough idle.